Hello IT Pros and welcome back to my IT workshop. So today I will show you something that came out yesterday. Today is, what date is today? January 23, so this came out 22. So it is a test exam from a Google subsidiary called Jigsaw. So this is to test if you can spot if you are being phished. So for those who don't know, a little explanation of phishing means when somebody or some people send you an email and they tell you, and it looks like something real. Let's say your bank is saying, hey, you have to reset your password because there has been a security issue. And you click on the link there and it takes you to a place that looks like your bank website, but it's not. It's a malicious website. So this is kind of a really fast explanation of what phishing is. So they created a quiz. So which you are seeing in the screen right now. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So let's take it. So I'm going to click on take quiz. We have to create a name. I'm going to say like Davos and email my IT workshop at, I don't know, let's protonmail.com. So let's click get started. And here we are. Let's start with this Google Doc email. There are 8 questions. So be sure to check out link URL and hovering over or using long presses to expose them. All right. So we have to choose whether it is phishing or legitimate. So Luke Johnson has shared a link to the following document. Now department budget docx. So we click on it. Oh, something is showing here. Do you see in the bottom left? HTTP drive google.com Luke Johnson. To start off, it's only HTTPS, so I know that any big company or a bank or a respected company uses HTTPS, which is the secure version of HTTP. So that's my first red light. And Google Drive, as you can see, between Drive and Google, there is like space, which I've never seen it before anyway. And as you can see here, Luke Johnson, luke.json8000gmail.com. Well, looks like an invented or a kit email address. So I'm going to click on phishing. And correct, this is a phishing email. You must have spotted the lookalike. Let's say show me. Okay, mousing over the link or using a long press will show that it goes to the insecure imitation domain drive. Oh yeah, that's what we are saying. Drive google.com. Okay, next. You have received a fax. Okay, one page. So it is the same. This is no reply. EFax.com. So EFax. Doesn't. Well, the no reply I have seen it many times when you receive an update from any company. To me, well, this is me. No reply EFax.com. Okay, you have received this one page. Let's check it out. Again, in the bottom left, HTTP, again, it's not HTTPS, efax.hosting.com, that mailru302.co. So it's taking me to another website, to mailru382.co. So, well, I don't know what else to say, besides this efax.com. It can be a name, but phishing. Correct, this is a phishing email. Spotted, you saw the sender email domain misspelled EFax. Okay, that was one red light. and the link is actually pointing to mail ru30382.co. Okay, so well, we click show me. Here it is the same. Let's go to the next one. Oh no, okay, next. Time for a trip down memory lane. Remember a TK from school? So let's go. Oh, of course, I forgot to mention, if you want to do it on the video, pause the video and tell me what, let me know what did you find in the comment section below. So you tell me, hey, I did it all them right, or no, I failed on this one, so I didn't understand this one. So all that. So let's continue. So we have TK. So this, remember TK from school? It looks like TK and some numbers, gmail.com. When you're in school, perhaps you can create this kind of emails. Doesn't look suspicious to me. All right, this is the email that sent it. This is my email. And this photo. Okay, the photo, again, in the bottom left. HTTPS, okay, that's good. Drive, google.com, download photo that, oh, here's the thing. sytez.net, that's another website. So it's taking you to another website. So this is a phishing, of course. Correct, this is a phishing. Looks like you spotted the lookalike URL. The real domain is that where, if you click on it, it's going to take you to sytez.net, which is disguised to look as Google Drive. Remember to be specifically cautious when you aren't sure who the sender is. Show me. Same. Next. Oh, looks like you are out of storage. Okay. It says Dropbox, no reply. Okay, normal there, dropbox.mail.com. Well, I remember using Dropbox a long time ago. I don't remember if this is the same or looks like the same. Dropbox mail, but mail, I don't know. Looks good. Okay, let's see the message. Hi, your Dropbox is full and no longer syncing files. The new files added to your Dropbox folder won't be accessible on your other devices. Upgrade to Dropbox today and get 1 terabyte of space. Okay, if I go here, it goes to HTTPS. That's okay. www.dropbox.com/buy. Well, it's not taking me anywhere else. More space, dropbox.com is HTTPS, help space, get more space. It's not taking me anywhere else. Dropbox for business, we check it out. It says HTTPS, dropbox.com/business. It looks legitimate to me. Let's see. Okay, it's correct. This is a legitimate Dropbox communication. The sender is dropboxmail.com, which is unusual but legitimate. And the URL is a secure link HTTPS to Dropbox. All right, show me. Well, we show you legitimate. It's legitimate. Next, the URL is legitimate, secure link to Dropbox.com. Okay. Next, you have received the school financial activity report. So that's from address isn't right though. It should definitely be westmountschool.edu. All right. So let's Sharon Mosley at westmountdayschool.org. So it's saying it should be edu. Oh, okay. Perhaps I would that detail I would have noticed if I hadn't read this. So normally universities and schools ends up in .edu. So let's keep watching. So it's the same. Share Mosley. And here, what do we have? Can I click on it? It doesn't show anything. No, it doesn't show anything. I cannot click on it. I'm clicking on it, but it doesn't do anything. I'm not sure about this one because it doesn't show me anything. Okay, farpdf.com. I'm not sure. I don't remember if you can type dots and then the extension. For me, it's phishing. Correct. This is a phishing email, but what? This was a complicated phishing fish. PDF can contain malware or viruses. Always be certain to trust the sender. Okay, okay. If you don't trust the person, just don't click on it. But it doesn't show anything. Okay. All right. Oh, it says here. Always be certain to trust your browser or an online service such as Google Drive. Oh, okay. So instead of the people attaching this document to the email, they can share it with you, whether it is Google Drive, OneDrive from Microsoft, or Dropbox, or perhaps a document in Google Cloud. Google Cloud. What I'm talking about, Amazon Cloud. So let's go to next. Someone has been trying to access your account. Look carefully below. Changing your before changing your password. Okay, google.com. No reply. Google support. Okay, that's a red flag. Someone has your password. Well, I never received this kind of emails, but let's see. Hi, someone just used your password to try to sign in to your Google account information. Okay, here's the date. Is from Romania. Firefox browser. If some Romanian guys watching this, can you confirm that this place exists? I'm just curious. Google from stop it, the sign-in attempt. You should change your password immediately. Okay, change password. We see in the bottom left. HTTP. Okay, that's a red flag. It's not secure. My account. .google.com security settings page mlsecurity.org. Of course it's phishing. It's taking me to another place like mlsecurity.org. So let's click on phishing. Correct, this email is use a lookalike URL. This is almost identical to the attack used successfully hack politicians' emails. Always be sure to check URL carefully. Okay, so let's show me. Yes, correct. The sender address Google support isn't used. All right. Next. Yes, correct. It's taking me to somewhere else. mlsecurity.org, not Google. Okay, next. Your account seems to be under attack again, or is it? So this is another Google. Okay, again, Google support. Government-backed attackers might be trying to steal your password. There's a chance, as far as but we believe that okay, if we are successful, trace out your data, actions account for improve your security based on your current status. We recommend change password. Okay, we see the link, https google.com amp url.com. Again, it's taking me somewhere else. But it is HTTPS, which is, let's say, a good thing, but it's taking me somewhere else. It's not Google. So phishing. Yep, this is based on a real warning, but links to the fake login page. The hackers tried to use Google to hide the actual link, which is from teen URL. An email similar to this was used to target tanks and politicians. All right, show me. Google support, again, this is similar to the last one. And this is tricky, but the link is actually directed into something on teenurl.com. Next, the last one. You have clicked a link and now someone is asking for access to your mail. All right. Hi Davos, my IT workshop, protomail.com, trip LT. Allow trip, strip it or trip LT? Okay, trip IT. Okay, I don't know if it is whether an L or I. You have reviewed the app's terms of service and privacy policies. You can remove this or any other app connected to your account in my account. Okay, it's not showing me anything. It doesn't do anything. Oh, here it is. HTTPS securitygoogle.com setting security permissions. Okay, securitygoogle.com. So that's, I don't see any problem there. It is HTTPS. What about this one? Security permissions, terms of service, tripit.com. Yeah, it is an I. Okay. HTTPS www.tripit.com UHP user agreement. Okay, it's not taking me somewhere else. Account securitygoogle.com. I cannot do anything here. So I would say it is a legitimate email. Oh, okay, correct. I wasn't sure about this one. It's important to be cautious with this kind of account access request though. And to be sure you trust the developer, check the domain that is displayed and be sure to click on it for more details. Okay, so show me. So it shows the requesting app name, but you should click to make sure the additional details seem correct. Next. All right, practice make perfect. For understand what to look for. The safer you are, then are from phishing attacks. You're also user. All right. So take the quiz again. So this was interesting. There were many things that makes you, let's say, doubt about the fact that these emails might be real or might not be real. So whether they are phishing or they are not. So let me know, how did you do? If you want to share, again, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Also this link, which I don't know where it takes, but it says more simple steps for better protect your online account. So this is the first video I do on this topic about some kind of cybersecurity. Let me know if you like it. As always, if you like this video, please leave a like. If you have any comment or question, leave it in the comment section below. If this is your first time in the channel, feel free to check what we have available. This is an IT channel. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.